In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply and customize a blur effect in Opentoonz using the FX schematic. Whether you're softening a background, guiding the viewer's eye, or smoothing a rough edge, a blur can quickly elevate the look of your scene. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up and fine-tune it. Start by opening your scene and selecting the specific level or drawing you want to blur. Take a moment to make sure the correct item is highlighted in your X sheet or timeline. If you're working with multiple layers, it helps to name them clearly so you always know which element you're affecting. Next, head to the FX Schematic panel, which typically sits at the bottom of the workspace. This view shows your elements as nodes and lets you control how effects flow through your scene. Give yourself a bit of room in the schematic area so connections are easy to see. Right-click in the schematic area and choose Add FX, then select Blur. You'll see a new blur node appear. This node represents the effect you're about to apply. Now connect your drawing node to the Blur FX node. Click and drag from the output port of your drawing to the input port of the blur node. You should see a line linking the two nodes, indicating that your drawing will pass through the blur before it reaches the rest of the pipeline. If you connect the wrong thing, simply undo and try again. The schematic is very forgiving. Select the Blur FX node and open the FX settings panel. Here you can adjust the intensity, which controls how strong and wide the blur appears. Explore the type of blur as well. Options like Gaussian, box, or directional each produce a different character. For example, Gaussian gives a smooth, natural softness, while directional can simulate motion in a specific angle. Use width and height values to create symmetric or anisotropic blur, and keep an eye on the quality settings if available, as higher quality can reduce artifacts. Preview the result in the viewer to see how the blur looks in context. Zoom in to judge edges, then zoom out to evaluate overall softness. If playback feels heavy, pause, let the frame cache, and review again. Iterate on intensity and type until the element reads the way you want. That's it, your blur is set up, connected, and tuned to your scene. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.